The morning glory, also known as the star-shaped climbing flower, scientific name Ipomoea quamaclit, is a slender climbing plant with feather-like leaves and small, beautiful star-shaped flowers, usually in bright red, pink, or white. Not only is it easy to grow, but the morning glory also brings a soft, graceful beauty when it climbs and covers trellises or fences. Below is a detailed process for growing morning glory from seeds. Preparing the soil for planting. The morning glory flower is not picky about soil, but it grows best in loose, rich, well-draining soil. Mix the soil with well-rotted manure, rice husk ash, and a little lime powder to eliminate fungi. Place the soil in seedling trays, small pots, or directly in the planting location if the climbing spot has been determined.
Preparing seeds. Choose high-quality Angelonia seeds from reputable stores. The seeds are usually small, hard, and dark brown. Soaking seeds. Before sowing, soak the seeds in warm water at about 30 to 35 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 hours or overnight to soften the shell, which helps the seeds germinate faster.
Sowing seeds. Sow seeds about 1 centimeter deep, with each seed spaced 5 to 7 centimeters apart. Water lightly after sowing to maintain moisture. Do not water heavily to avoid soil erosion. Place in a location with indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight during the first few days. Seedling care, young plants. After 5 to 10 days, the seeds will begin to germinate. When the seedlings are about 10 to 15 centimeters tall and have 2 to 3 true leaves, they can be transplanted into open ground or larger pots, preferably near a trellis or fence. Water daily in the early morning or late afternoon. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Make a climbing frame for the plant. The hairpin flower is a climbing species that wraps its stem, so it needs a frame, trellis, wire mesh, steel wire, or any structure for the plant to cling to and climb. When the plant starts to climb, gently guide the stem towards the frame. After that, the plant will climb on its own by wrapping its stem. Fertilization and disease. Prevention: apply diluted organic fertilizer every 15 to 20 days to promote strong growth and abundant flowering. You can supplement with fish fertilizer or earthworm castings if growing organically. Monitor for pests. Although the wishbone flower is rarely affected by pests, it can sometimes be infested with aphids or leaf fungi in humid weather. Flowering and seed. Harvesting time. From sowing to flowering takes about 45 to 60 days. Flowers bloom in the morning, attracting butterflies and bees for pollination. After the flowers wither, round capsule-shaped fruits will appear and dry out, containing seeds inside. You can harvest the seeds for the next planting season. Tip: planting morning glories near the balcony, trellis, or fence is a great way to create natural shade and enhance the vibrant beauty of your garden. You can combine red, pink, and white to create a stunning picture when the flowers bloom.